So this will be chapter 7. No, we're going to skip right to 7.2.
What?
Yeah. This is systems.
What if we fail 7.1?
It's nothing.
What do you mean it's nothing? Brody, that's weird to say.
All right, this is systems of linear equations.
Linear.
So what we're doing here is we're going to solve 2 equations at one time.
Wait, that's weird. It beats the system. Doesn't it?
Okay, and I'm going to teach you guys 3 different methods to learn. And then on the test, you'll have to show me each one, okay?
All 3?
Yeah. And the first one I'm going to teach you guys today is solving with graphs.
We have to show you how to do it, or can we just name them?
You just have to graph them.
No, like for the thing that you said we have to know all of them.
You have to show me one of each, okay?
So we can't just say solving with graphs.
I'll be like, solve graphically, solve this way, solve that way. And then I'll be like, solve this one however you want.
Did anyone fail the test?
I don't think so. They were okay.
I hope not.
Okay.
I felt so bad.
Well,
actually, no, I felt bad with the last half.
All right. Excellent. So what we're trying to figure out here is you need to determine when x and y are 2 different equations. Is the same. So to do this graphically, when we want to know when x and y are the same, we'll draw both lines, and where they cross, that point of intersection, is where our answer is. Okay? So we'll graph both lines. Where they cross,
Maybe right intersect because I was looking at the computer.
oh, shouldn't have done that. All right, and where they cross is your answer. Okay? So we've graphed linear equations before. They're just straight lines. All we're doing now is we're graphing 2 on the same grid and recording where they cross.
And that's how you thought figure out one thing.
Yeah.
That's cool.
This is unit 7.
Oh, it's 2 though. It's 2 though.
What's that?
Is it long?
We should be done by the end of the week.
The whole year?
Yeah.
Like this week?
Yeah, if not early next week, and then we can just start reviewing for the finals.
Hopefully we can just finish this one this week and then all next week.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so everyone don't slow Mr. Weber down at all.
Oh, dude.
Hey, Connor, take that advice for yourself.
Jack, it was sarcasm. Obviously I'm going to take it for myself. Jeez. Take a hint.
Okay, so let's look at an example. write that down.
Is that the answer? I feel like that's the answer.
No. No, let's do that one. 3x minus 2y equals 14. Okay, so what we'll need to do, well,
We need to determine the x-intercept and y-intercept of the graph.
right, you need to graph these guys. So for the first one, can we determine the x and y intercepts?
Not for the first one.
No.
I don't think so. Can we?
The second one's in general form.
They're both in general form.
Well, they both are. You can graph the second one.
Yeah, for sure you can graph the second one on this.
Well, let's look at graph number 1 first. Okay, I'm going to call this one number 1, this one number 2. I'll do them in different colors too. So my first one is x plus y equals 8. So if I graph it, so my y-intercept, what does x equal then?
So what?
If I want to find my y-intercept, what does x equal?
0.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I put 0 in for x, what does y equal? 8. So my y-intercept is at 0 and 8. For my next one, for the x-intercept, y equals 0. Good, right? Is everyone okay with that? Yeah. Okay, good. So now I have these two coordinates. Can I plot and graph this one? Now, if you look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't have enough grids on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up by 2s. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6. And then I'm going to graph it. Oh, like that. It's close enough.
Just kidding.
Easy fun.
Just kidding.
Now for my next one, if I make y equal to 0, let's try that. I'll draw this one in blue. It was what, 3x minus 2 plus 2.
It would be minus 2.
Yeah, minus 2y. So for my first one, for my y-intercept, x equals 0. So if I plug that in,
y equals 14.
all right, negative 2y. And how do I get y by itself? Negative 2, very good. Yeah. So y equals. Okay, so there's my first coordinate. Okay, right? As of now, this should all be mostly review for you guys,
Yeah,
right?
from last year.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's try the next one, my x-intercept.
Wait, why is it minus 7?
Well, I got to divide by negative 2.
Oh, that's right.
Okay. Now for the next one, x equals 0. So all I'm going to do now is I plug that in. Now the only problem with this is I'm going to end up with 3x equals 4, or 3x equals 14. 14 divided by 3 is a decimal number. Okay, so this one you're kind of guessing. It's almost easier to have it in slope-intercept form, because then you have a point in the slope and you can just you get like 4.7. Okay, so here's my 2 coordinates.
And then 0.5. Oh, you're actually doing 0.47. You don't want to round up or what?
No.
Oh, okay.
So my first coordinate is at 0, -7. So that's right about there because I went up by 2's. This is on the same grid, you guys. Okay? Remember, you got to graph them together and see where they cross. Yeah, the word problems are bonus.
I say maybe around 6 and 3.
And then the next one is at 0 and -. Oh, wait a minute.
Shouldn't it be 4.7 and 0?
Yeah, I messed up
It's the
there.
other way around.
Yeah.
It should be 4.7, so x, or the x.
Where's the first one?
The first one here at 0, -7 is right here. And this one here should be at. My bad.
Yeah, it's negative.
Oh, sorry, it's positive. I don't know where I'm going here. Spiraling out of control now. So that's going to be roughly right about there. Now, if I had a straight edge, I would draw this perfect. Yeah, that's actually not far off from where the answer should. Ideally, this will work out perfectly.
I feel it's something around 6 and 2.
6 and 2.
And 2, yeah. What
Oh,
did
yeah,
you got?
sorry.
Yeah. Exactly. I got that right.
Now, what's nice about this is you can actually check your work. Because this is where they'll both be the same. So what you do is you perform a check. So you take both your original equations. And you plug these in for both x and y. So 6 and 2 are my answers, right? That's what I got where the lines crossed. So now let's see. This is supposed to be where they're both the same. So I plug these in for x and y. And I see what I get. 6 plus 2, does that equal 8?
No.
Yeah, so that's good. Do the same over here. 3 times 2. Oh, sorry, 3 times 6. Take away 2 times 2. (18 minus 4). What does that equal? All right, cool. Answer, my work's done.
Yeah.
It's not bad, hey?
I was playing catch up that whole time.
Is that going too fast?
Oh no, I was writing my graph down. I was trying to make sure. like a perfect. Right. But I got through right when you started drawing the graph. Got up.
Okay. Do you guys need to see another example, or do you want to try some?
I can try another one.
I think you guys will be okay with this stuff.
Sure. They all say.
Macy, how do you feel? Thumbs up. All right.
Smart.
Yeah, like, come on.
That was mean.
He wasn't kidding. I'm just kidding.
All right, cool. Here's your homework for today, then, guys.
Oh, wait, you were recording this whole time?
Yeah, Luke's not here, and who's it's not here? No, they're not.
Paige.
I do.
Paige. Hey, Paige. Paige.
She doesn't like being called Alexandra.
Yeah, that's why you call her Paige. Paige is her middle name if you didn't know that.
Oh, I'm sure she loves that even more.
It's actually a cool name, isn't it?
Yeah, Paige is nice.
My dad calls me.
Maybe I'll call my unborn child that.
You're on.